the melt shop. The lid is up on that furnace. That furnace is full of molten iron. We're just waiting here on my furnace. There's my burner and inoculant feeders. Trying to get my room together. Look at all the TVs I'm gonna have. It's my office.